Hi everyone, this is Marjorie and Dan, and I'd like to welcome you to our keto channel. And I have questions for you. Do you want to lose weight? Have you tried time and again, and each time you lose, you gain it all back? Well, so have we. Well, so have I. He's just recently on the new trail of losing weight because he's never had that lifelong problem like some of us have.
It's been over 4 months now, so it's not exactly how
right.
I started
But
last week.
my point is you haven't been a yo-yo your whole life. You've always been fit and trim, and as you've gotten older and a little more sedate, now he's pretty busy and active. Now he's keto. Okay. Going down the rabbit hole there. Anyway, we've lost a lot of weight on keto. I've lost 50 plus pounds, and it's been 2 years now since I first started keto, and I lost my weight in 6 months, and I've been keeping it off for another year and a half additional. And Dan has lost 25 pounds in 4 months. And so, yeah, we're loving keto.
And that's during Christmas, New Year's, Thanksgiving, my birthday, and a cruise to Mexico as well.
And Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
So, okay. And I've gone and done that, all those things, all those holidays, 2 years in a row now. So, I would like to say, first of all, if you're new here, would you please, whoa, the sunshine, would you please subscribe and ring the little bell, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video.
Lucky you.
Now, one other thing I'd like to mention before I forget is I did a live stream a while back with Cindy, Palm Springs Cindy, and we called it Live with Marindy. And I had so much fun doing a live stream. So basically, we've kind of been thinking, Dan and I, that we might do a live stream. I've been thinking.
I was going to say, I've been thinking about this.
Dan just goes along with whatever I tell him he's supposed to be doing.
Well, not exactly. Not all the time.
Yeah, well, you know.
Yeah.
We'll let him think that.
Yeah.
Okay, so at any rate, if you have questions for us that you would like us to address, we're thinking that I will do little mini videos during the week, like maybe Monday, Thursday, and then on Saturday or Sunday we'll do a live stream and answer any questions that you leave for us.
Not Saturday.
So, not Saturday, because he's at the Air Museum on Saturday. So, on every Saturday during the winter. So, okay, fun stuff for today. First of all, keto successes. I have to give props to my neighbor, Nan, who has been on keto. We went on our little cruise. We got back. She and her husband went on a long weekend visiting friends, and when she came home, she goes, "That's it. I'm done. I'm starting keto tomorrow." This was Monday, so it was like 8 days ago. She texted me. She's down 9.6 pounds in 8 days. And I am so proud of her and happy for her because she just finally decided to not tiptoe around keto and try to make keto work with the foods that she'd really prefer to eat. She decided to really get on board, stick to bacon and eggs, stick to, meat or protein and salad or veggies for dinner. And once you're in ketosis, boom, your appetite goes away, and it's so much easier to stay on keto. So, congratulations to Nan. I'll keep you informed of her progress as we go along.
I doubt she's going to lose 9 pounds every 8 days, though.
Very good point. Yeah, no. Actually, when you first start, there's a lot of, there's always with any kind of...
I think I lost 6 pounds.
Yeah, any kind of diet change when you're cutting down, no matter whether it's a low carb or a high carb diet. Is there a high carb diet? Low fat high carb. Yeah, okay. Anyway, I guess those people actually, everybody loses weight, and it's usually water weight. So anyway, but 9.6 pounds is definitely nothing to sneeze at. Now I have a fun little story for you, and this is related to keto from the standpoint that keto makes you feel so healthy, so energetic, and so much younger. You feel like you're turning the clock back. Now, Dan and I went on this little trip. It was a little cruise, just a 4-day cruise over to Catalina, and then over to Ensenada, and then a day at sea. So we have really had a lot of fun.
And back to Long Beach.
So when we took off on this little cruise, we were kind of sad because it was drizzly. And, we've done this cruise several times, but we really like to do it in the summer, which I don't know what we were thinking, doing it in February. So anyway, we went on this little cruise, and I had one goal in mind when I realized we were going to Ensenada, and that was to get they have...
Of course you didn't tell me this.
They have really nice knockoffs on designer bags, and they have really good Mexican vanilla, and they have beautiful Talavera pottery over there.
And they have very good tequila too, by the way.
Really good tequila, keto tequila. So that would be the one with the worm for the protein?
Yeah, I think
so. Anyway, we went to Mexico. When we got to Mexico, Ensenada, the day was actually lovely. It was like around 60. And usually when you're stuffed in those little tour vans, it's hot and there's no air conditioning. So this was a perfect day to go on a tour. So we went up to...
There's Mexican air conditioning.
Oh, that's right. The little vents on the top of the window.
When you open your window, that's Mexican air conditioning.
That's what the tour guide said. Of course, she was so cute. We just laughed and laughed. She was a great tour guide. And so we went to La Bufadora, which was also has a Mexican shopping district, and I was looking forward to that. And they give you coupons for the bathrooms over there are, not quite up to our standards as usual, in what you're used to. So the tour guide said, make sure you here's a coupon for a free margarita, Habana Banana, and their restrooms are upstairs, and you can use them. And usually they charge for restrooms, but they're free for the people on the tours. So we stopped in there on our way up on the walk through the shopping district to the La Bufadora, which means the spout. It's a beautiful water spout in the ocean, incredibly beautiful. So we go up, use the facilities, come back down, go on our tour. And then on the way back, we were going to stop and have our use our coupon for our free margarita.
But I noticed something on the first way up.
Oh yes, when we were up using the restrooms
on the second floor.
On the second floor, when we were before we went to the shopping district.
And before I got drunk.
Yeah, there was that.
There was that.
We were, and Dan doesn't get drunk. Dan's not a big old drunk or anything like that. No. He's really Super Bowl, New Year's, that's about it. So anyway.
Maybe once or twice other than that.
So we're on the second floor of Habana Banana, and as we're going down the stairs, we notice that there's a really cool big slide that's circular, like the ones they have on the kids' playgrounds, those big, tall ones.
It just curves around.
Yeah.
It just curves around and then down to the first floor.
Right. So you can walk down the stairs, or you can just take the slide.
Mm-hmm.
So we went on our tour. We went and saw the La Bufadora, and I found, I'll just show you quickly, the most gorgeous Louis Vuitton. Let me see if you can see it. It's called the Neverfull bag. My son even loved it. He usually calls me one of those desperate housewives on TV because I like all of the designer stuff, but I don't want to spend the money. It's got the most gorgeous red striped line. Never-ending story.
Never-ending bag.
Neverfull Louis Vuitton. It comes with the attached matching accessory or makeup bag. So yes, I was very, very happy. I did my bartering and got it for an excellent price.
Where did you get the money for that, Marjorie? Because I wasn't even aware that you had that.
I'm hoping money. Lizzie doesn't watch this. It was the money for the lady that cleans my house because she didn't come due to weather and vacations, and so I just happened to have the money for Lizzie in my purse. So
she's negotiating for this purse. And I'm going, I don't have that much money, it's like, and then suddenly she pulls it out, and I'm going, where the hell did you get that?
Okay, so we went down, we got our purse, we came back, we got our purse.
Our purse. No, it wasn't ours.
You can use it, but you have to ask.
Yeah,
so anyway,
okay.
I got my purse, we're coming back, we bought house numbers with the wrought iron frame, the pretty Talavera numbers for our house, and so we stopped at Habana Banana to stop and have a a little margarita, and
you missed some
guacamole.
Of the part that every shop you stop into, and she stopped at a number of them trying to get the best price on her bag.
Well, no, I also wanted to find the nicest bag.
Right. But every place you stop into, they want you to have a shot of tequila.
They sure
and
do.
It's like, well, yeah, why not? I'm on vacation. I'll have, a shot of tequila. Now, their shots of tequila are not like our shots of tequila. They're like doubles. And Dan
was so happy he didn't even notice I was spending money.
I wasn't that drunk.
This is up to 10 minutes. Got to hurry this story up. So we go to Habana Banana. We're up on the second floor. Beautiful view of the ocean, and we're like the only people up there, maybe another couple. And we're eating our guacamole and drinking our margaritas, and we decided we would not eat anything else until we got back on the ship. So we're sitting there. We use the restroom one more time before we leave to go catch the tour bus. And I walk over towards the stairs, and Dan's over there, and there's another couple standing there. And they're looking at the slide, and Dan goes, "So are you going to go down that slide?" And the guy goes,
I'm thinking about it. And
Dan
then I said, "I'm not thinking about it. I'm going."
And he
so I just
jumped
went right
down
down the slide.
And the next thing I heard was this loud thud at the bottom. And I went, "Oh my God, Dan's dead." So I go looking carefully down the curved staircase, and the people at the bottom are going,
Are you all right?
Are you okay? And then the other guys are going, "You want some more tequila?" He's going, "Well, yeah, I definitely want it now." Tour guide told us people have broken their legs, their arms, going down that slide.
I broke my butt.
You gotta keep your eye on your husband if he's been doing keto and lost 25 pounds, because he clearly thinks he's young again. And, he just jumped right on it. But you know what? The fact that he's lost weight and the fact that he's clearly aging well now, or aging less, because he, no inflammation. His butt's a little sore, but if he did this when he weighed 25 pounds more, we would have been in the hospital.
Yeah, would have had a lot more padding at that point.
We would have had to airlift him back to the States. Okay, so that's our little funny story now.
It's your chance to pick on me. That's what it is. Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard to come up with subjects for keto videos over and over and over. So, you remember what I always tell you, carbs under 20, total, not net, and good sources of fatty protein, and let's see, what else would it be? Eat when you're hungry, stop when you're full.
And blackberries and whipped cream every night. Isn't that right, Marjorie? That helps.
No, I'm in maintenance right now.
Okay.
Yeah, he could have more carbs than the rest of us. No, stop telling him that. You can have a quarter cup of berries, and whipped cream is acceptable if it's, 0 carb or 1 carb per 2 tablespoons or whatever. So anyway, if you think of any questions, if you're interested in us doing a live stream, we're going to try that soon. So keep watching, and it will either be, what's today? What day of the week is it?
Today's Tuesday.
Tuesday. Oh.
No.
Locals night at Blondie's, but I guess I'm not going to Blondie's because my granddaughter and my daughter and I all went, and we already went out to eat today. So, yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, would you please give it a big thumbs up and share? A bigger thumbs up. And share and comment. Let me know how you're doing. And we'll see you soon. Bye now.
Bye.